Hi guys, welcome to the video. Please remember that if you enjoyed this video, why not subscribe? And while you're at it, hit that bell icon and then you'll get updated every single time I upload a video.
Today we're going to be checking out the last of the 2018 Beatrix Potter coins that has been released. What we're going to be looking at is the brilliant uncirculated edition, which I have in front of me right now. So, if you were to buy this from the Royal Mint website or this version from Westminster Collection's website, it'll cost you £10 plus postage and packaging. Now, Westminster Collection also do their own version, which they have on one of their classic blue cards. It's a little bit cheaper. Go and check out their website if you just want that one. But that one just doesn't come with any illustrations or information. So, the classic Royal Mint handbag there. What I'm going to do, as usual, is just open mine up so that you never need to open yours, but we can have a look at everything that you get inside and you'll never have to open yours to see that. So there we go with the packaging off. This is the front of the card and then we have the back. So let's have a look here at this little bit of literature here. I'll pause long enough as usual just so that you can have a quick read of that. And we'll go into the coin specifications after we've been through the design. So there we go. I'll just show off each page long enough. Pause it if you feel like I'm going too quickly, so you can read all the information here. I really like the yellow color on this one. It's the first time I've seen a yellow one. But yeah, really stands out and it's really vibrant. Really like that. I actually quite like the design on this coin as well. Some of the Beatrix Potter range haven't been the best, but this is definitely one of the best ones this year. So back to the front. So let's have a look at the coin specifications. So we have the denomination, which is 50 pence. The issuing authority is United Kingdom. The alloy is cupronickel. The weight is 8.00 grams. The diameter is 27.30 millimeter. The quality, brilliant uncirculated. The obverse designer is Jodie Clark and the reverse designer is Emma Noble. So let's have a look at the coin itself. So there we go. That is the reverse of the design. So Mrs Tittlemouse. And like I said, I'm really a big fan of the design on this one. A few of them haven't been great, but this one is actually really good looking. So let's have a look at the obverse of the coin. There we go, look how shiny that is. So, 2018 with the 5th portrait of the Queen. So yeah, I think that looks fantastic. But leave a comment below. Have you been collecting any of these this year? I don't think that silver proofs have been as popular as ones in previous years. I know for a fact that I haven't bothered with it and a lot of people I know haven't bothered with it because there's too many of them now. It almost feels like they should move on to something new next year. But no doubt they've probably got a few more characters up their sleeves. But leave that comment in the comment section below. And please like this video if you enjoyed it. And please subscribe for future content on coins. Thanks for watching.